There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. So during UK lockdown, self-isolation, all spending a lot more time at home, and although it's great to have extra few hours in your day to rest, relax, I feel like it's really important to do that, by the way. Take some of this time and actually use it to like recoup. I thought it was a great time to declutter, have a spring clean of the house, and I for one am terrible at throwing things out. If I learned anything from this whole situation, it's definitely to bring things back to basics. I don't need hoards of things. I don't need to be buying hoards of things. Not only is it bad for the planet, it's not good for you really to have too much, if that makes sense. Go around my house bit by bit and declutter things we don't use, donate it to charity, obviously when it's safe to do so. But I'm going to start with my clothes because I have these huge built-in wardrobes that go from one end of the room to the other, absolutely jammed with clothes. And I tend to just wear the same thing. I'm always in a tee or an overall or dungarees. That's just what I live in. I think the next time we do a declutter on this channel, it's going to be the kitchen. And let me tell you, that's the worst room in the house. I just want to live a more minimalistic life. So I'm going to make my wardrobe more minimalistic. And by doing that, it's getting rid of all the impractical clothes. So yes, anyway, grab your cup of teas. I've gone for a lemon and ginger tea today, which is actually my favourite tea at the moment. I have had my morning coffee, so I'm really shaky. So I'm going to stay off the caffeine for the rest of the day. Get your cups of teas, maybe get some inspiration from this. Let me know what you're doing in this downtime, how you're using it to be a positive. I would love to know. I'd love everybody to share their stories. Give the video a thumbs up if you're excited for today's video and you want to see my declutter kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe because I upload every single week. And yeah, let's get on into it. So my wardrobe is pretty much packed to the brim. I can already see things that I need to pull out. A lot of woolly things, just a lot of warm, like ridiculously warm things. So I'm going to essentially get everything out. The drawers seem to be absolutely rammed, especially my underwear drawer. Why is my underwear drawer so jammed? It shouldn't be a whole drawer full of things. Okay, first drawer is now empty. And this is actually my nightwear drawer, so all my PJs I keep in there. Now, it's no secret I have an obsession with PJs. First of all, I've already seen like a couple of plain white tees in here that shouldn't be in there. I like to keep all my t-shirts together, but you know, sometimes when you're putting your wash away, you just can't be bothered and you just shove it wherever it will fit. There's a little crop top, which is absolutely perfect for summer. So this cord, I absolutely love this cord. I wear it every Christmas, but it's very Christmassy, it's very wintry, it's woolly, it's thick. Definitely not something that needs to be in my drawers right now. Here's some really cool Christmas PJs. I got these from Primark. The only thing is they washed really badly. Like the first wash I put them in, the dye basically all came out. I don't mind, I definitely will still wear these. They say merry and bright. They give me like real Stranger Things vibes. I'm going to keep them, but I'm going to put them in to rest pile. See, a t-shirt I've not worn yet. And this is saying, I got this. That's actually very apt. I'm definitely going to wear that because if there's any time in my life where I need to be strong and I've got this, it's now. PJs I really like. These are from Primark, the ethical range. Lawrence actually bought me these. They're nice and loose and cotton and summery. My dad actually bought me these PJs last Christmas. So I'm definitely keeping that, but I'm not going to be wearing it right now.
What is yours? Strike them with your glow.
These perfect summer PJs.
Go
Definitely.
on now. Be good. Be fine.
This was another present from my dad for Christmas. It's a headscarf from Lush, and when you buy it, it puts money towards saving the turtles. I just think that is just the cutest. So I need to put that somewhere on show, I think. So I really like
Forget to be kind. Live, it's your life.
My favourite summery PJs are these. Just love stitch. I've also got these 3 pairs of shorts, which again are from Primark. I don't tend to buy too many clothes anymore if they're like from a fast fashion place, but I do think Primark can provide some bare necessities every now and then. I've actually had these a few years anyway, so I'm not about to get rid of them. They're perfect. So I've got some flamingo shorts, some Lion King shorts, and some HP shorts. I know H&M has this scheme where if you bring them a bag of old clothes, you get a £5 voucher. And what they do with the old clothes is make them use the material for other things like tote bags and blah blah blah. So I'm going to donate these to that, because I would hate to just throw something in the waste bin. I avo crush on you, definitely need to keep that t-shirt. Some nice loud cycling shorts, but again perfect with a big white tee in the summer. Now although these are Christmassy, I am going to keep them out because they're very lightweight. These are from the organic range in Primark. I did actually get them for Christmas. Again, I get a lot of PJs for Christmas. That is actually all I ask for. Okay, progress with drawer number 1, PJ drawer. These are all the PJs I'm keeping. I've rolled them up just because I think it looks a lot neater. I know it still looks like I've got loads, but these all fit, are cool, nice for the summer. These were all in the drawer that shouldn't be in the drawer. So I've got some loungewear there, a couple of tees, so I need to put those in the correct drawer. Fluffy things I need to pack away. There's a couple of things that I will do with the H&M donate your clothes thing, and there's 2 tops over there that are barely worn. In fact, neither have been worn, that can go to the charity shop. A good progress there. I think that was quite good, so I'm going to put them in the drawer now. So in this drawer above, I've actually got my loungewear and sportswear, and then loads of tees and basic clothing. So once I've cleared that, I might actually utilise this space and maybe put my sportswear in here as well. To be honest, I don't know how everything just fits in that drawer then. There's a lot in this drawer. The middle drawer tends to be the stuffy, crammy drawer. I want my loungewear and my tees in there, and then I might transfer my sportswear to the bottom drawer. I love these leggings. These are from Boden, and I actually got them from the kids section. Now that sounds weird, I know, but they have really nice leggings. I like leggings with patterns on. I don't really do well with like just plain black leggings. I'm not really a black legging kind of gal. I bought them ages 15 to 16, which actually translates to size 12. So if you are size 12 or below, you can actually get them from the kids section. So that's what I do. So I got these lovely floral ones, and I also got this style, which is like a colourful pattern. I got these in leggings and a top. I did wear them together once on Instagram and everybody thought they were my PJs. So I'm probably not going to wear them together. These 2 tops are mustard. They're also really thick. They can definitely be put away for much later in the year. I won't be needing them anytime soon.
Live your life, dream big, down.
A nice summery cotton dress that I could actually hang up rather than just shove in my drawer. Love this t-shirt. This is from And Other Stories. I will actually link this below. And Other Stories do the best t-shirts, really good quality, really nice fit. What's it called? Hocus Pocus. I love Hocus Pocus, but it's definitely not the Hocus Pocus season. I've got a lot of stripy t-shirts. Stripy t-shirts are my thing. I have a question actually while we're doing this. What do you think will change because of coronavirus? Like in the world as we know it, what do you think will be different to what it was before? I'm actually hoping for a lot of changes. I do hope like normality resumes soon, because I've had a lot of messages from people expecting babies or people trying to get married. The struggle, the uncertainty in terms of wages and jobs at the moment. So if you're going through that, you know, my heart is with you at the moment. In terms of good changes and in terms of what I think it will bring, I think it will bring just so much good. Like, one, it will this is forcing everyone to slow down. It's kind of forcing everyone to rethink a few things, maybe rethink, you know what, I used to buy a new outfit every other week, and when I was inside and didn't need this new outfit every other week, it taught me that I don't actually need those new clothes every other week anyway. Kind of fast fashion and buying new clothes, wearing them once and then just forgetting about them. That's one big change I hope happens. I also hope lots of people get the recognition they deserve, like people that work in supermarkets. Before all this, I don't think they were recognised for their constant hard work. Like, we rely on them every single day, they are relied on. So I hope there's a lot more recognition for people that work in supermarkets, delivery drivers, obviously the NHS. Going to bring about changes in terms of funding for the NHS, pharmacies. There are so many, and I'm probably missing out, like carers. So my best friend she's studying her uni degree still. She's doing her masters at the moment, but she's got a part-time job as working as a carer. So that is amazing. By the way, I love this t-shirt. It's a tarot card t-shirt. I need to do my tarot cards soon. But that is amazing because she's now helping the greater community, which is what I think is teaching everyone is now important. It's important to kind of help people. You don't have to be amazing at something. You just have to like put your foot forward, help someone in need. So like, what are your biggest changes? What do you want to come from this situation?
Live your life.
Okay, progress so far. So these are all my t-shirts and loungewear. A lot of t-shirts and a lot of stripes. This is stuff that I found that needs to go elsewhere, so hanging up. This is my to put away. I need to get some more of those bags that you need to hoover. And this is more stuff for a charity shop. Very satisfying seeing all of them rolled out. Now I know where my clothes are, and there's also gaps. Like, there are gaps in my drawers. I haven't seen that in a very long time. Okay, this massive pile somehow was in my top drawer. I don't know how I've managed to accumulate so much. I think 99% of it is socks. I have a thing with socks. I'm going to crack on with this and then we're going to start the hanging up stuff. Okay, I know it still looks messy, but I feel like underwear drawers always look messy. But I've got my socks, my bras, I haven't got many bras to be honest, and tights, and then my underwear. It's such a huge difference. Like, I can actually open and close this drawer now. And these are all the bits that I need to give to a scheme like the H&M scheme. And then these are socks that I'm keeping, but they're odd at the moment, so I need to find their pairs. Part behind me, this part is everything I kind of hang up. So jumpers, trousers, jeans, things like that. I know already there's a lot of knitwear in there that I'm just not putting away for some reason, but now is the perfect time. There's also probably stuff in there that I don't wear. I have so many jumpers stored under my bed, so if I see jumpers, I'm tempted to try and give them away.
You came out of nowhere that first time.
Okay, so first off, loads of knitwear. So I have this high neck, roll neck knitwear jumper. I'm actually tempted to donate this. It's a really nice, well-made jumper, but it doesn't fit me very well and it's a bit constrictive. I like looser jumpers. A nice slouchy knitted cardigan. To be honest, this would be great over summer just to throw on. The only thing that's making me think I should put it away is the colour. So I'm going to store this away. The colour's very autumnal, very winter-esque. I have these two jumpers which are old ones from Primark. They're knitwear jumpers with a fake Peter Pan collar. So definitely storing those away. And again, a very knitted knitwear cardigan that I'm just not going to wear for a long time now. I have these two jumpers which are ridiculously autumnal. They were from Cracker Barrel in Orlando. If you've ever been to Florida, you absolutely need to visit Cracker Barrel. I don't even know how to explain it, but I've got a green smoothie, by the way, but it's like a it's a diner, but it's very old country-esque theme. but I love these jumpers. But as you can see, they're pure autumn. I could never get away with wearing these over the next few months, so these need to go in storage. So we have a long black knitted jumper. This was originally from Primark. It's got furry sleeves. Now I never wear this, and although it's nice to have like a slouchy jumper like this, I just never wear it, so I can't say that when it comes around to winter I'm going to wear it this year, because what's going to be different to last year. We have a couple of waistcoats. So this one actually doesn't fit, it's way too big. Although I was holding on to it just because it's really nice. I really liked it. It has like a fair old print at the top, but it just doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to give this away to charity. And we have this one, which is a Ralph Lauren one. I bought this from America a long time ago, but I really like this. It's definitely a country walk-esque type thing. We have this knitted crop jumper, which was from New Look. It's like a really nice gold mustardy colour. I didn't wear this last winter, so I'm going to give it away. I feel like that's going to be my motto with decluttering. If I haven't used it in the last 6 to 12 months max, it's going. Very airy, blowy, is that the word? Airy cardigans here, which I'm definitely keeping hanging up. These are perfect for throwing over denim shorts and a nice little vest top. So these are definitely staying. I have this lovely jumper, which is a gold mustard with little gold sequins on. I'm definitely keeping this. It's a really nice quality jumper, but I'm going to pack it away because we're not wearing mustard right now. There's a couple of jumpers here. I always wear this jumper. It's from Primark. It's a slouchy. It's really nice. This jumper's really nice. Crochet jumper. So this is perfect for summer and spring. It's just so nice to throw over. Because it's crochet, it's really lightweight, airy. Denim dungaree dress, definitely keeping that. The only exception to the rule is this woolly jumper. This was my dad's, and I fully remember him always wearing this, so I'm going to keep it hanging up all the time. Now this is everything hanging up. As you can see, I've got a lot more space. Everything is just a lot more cleaner and less compact. I've kept a couple of things like this is because these are crochet, so they're quite nice to wear also in the springtime. But I have my jeans and lounge pants here. I've got a few denim dresses hanging up as well that I always reach for. Okay, if you want to see a part 2 of this video, let me know down below. I'm going to have to stop it here because it's taking a lot longer than I expected, and I don't want to give you a 45-minute or a 3-hour video to try and watch. So if you want to see part 2 where I'm clearing the rest of my closet, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it inspired you to do the same. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing very well, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.